The vibration feature serves as a reminder for users, such as messages, phone calls, etc. However, it's frustrating if the iPhone vibrates randomly for no reason. Are you going through iPhone randomly vibrates and won't stop? Method 1. Turn off vibration. Launch settings. Scroll down and select accessibility and then touch. Then you can toggle off the vibration switch. Method 2. Disable notifications. Fire up settings. Tap on notifications, and you can see all the notification styles on the screen. Find and select an app and turn off the Allow Notifications button. Method 3. Clear running apps. Back to the home screen. Swipe from left bottom to right top and enter the background interface. Scroll upwards to stop the vibration of these running apps. Method 4. Restore iPhone with iTunes. Launch iTunes on the computer. Click on your device icon and pick the Summary tab. Select Check for Update and then Update. Method 5. Repair iPhone via MagFone. Start MagFone on your computer and click Start to go on. Click the standard repair mode to save your iPhone data while repairing. You need to click the download button to verify and download an iOS firmware package. After that, MagFone iOS system recovery will fix the random vibration issue automatically. Method 6. Factory reset iPhone. Run Settings. Touch on General and then choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Press Erase all content and settings and tap on Continue. Tap on Erase iPhone to finish factory reset on your iPhone.